6 books to read if you want to become a badass digital marketer. Digital marketer has become the norm, and many people and companies are looking for this skill to engage for the sales of their products and services. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 books that you need to read if you want to become a well sought after digital marketer. The number 6 of this book will make you an instant genius when it comes to selling anything online. So let's get started. The number 1 of this book is Predatory Thinking. Predatory Thinking is written by Dave Truth. Dave Truth is a very successful advertiser, and he crafts this predatory thinking book to show you how to outwit your competition in advertising and business and life in general. This book details experiences, different master classes and genius tricks that you can use to outwit your competition. So this book shows you how to outwit your competition when it comes to advertising and running your business. Getting into the mind of genius like Dave Truth is one of the best way to get yourself up as a marketer in general. The second book is Thrive by Seth Godin. If you have been in the marketing or business space, the possibility that you know Seth Godin is already there. Seth Godin is one of the genius marketers in our age. In this book, he talks about how to build a community of raving fans or raving buyers and supporters to sell your product and to build a community around your product, skills, or company in general. This book teaches you how to do these things both online and offline. So get this book, go through it and use it to your own advantage. The number 3 book to read if you want to become digital marketer or a badass marketer in general is Cashvertising. Cashvertising give you 100 different copywriting and the psychology of marketing tricks that will help you sell anything at all to anyone, provided they need it. Of course, this also shows you some trick that if you use it, you can sell even death to the living. But of course, as a digital marketer or a marketer in general, this is not something you should apply wrongly. But this book is packed with deep knowledge and strategies that you can use to sell any product at all. It is more of a copywriting book than it is a marketing book. Of course, you know, if you are a digital marketer, one of the things you cannot skip and be successful is your ability to write sales copy, and this book shows you exactly how to do it. The 4th book to read if you want to become a badass marketer is the 1-page marketing plan. This book shows you how to build your sales funnel from scratch. Sales funnel are inevitable when it comes to digital marketing or selling online. So the book shows you how to build digital funnel till the end when you get your customer to pull out their credit card or put hand in their pocket and give you their money. It also shows you how to make them repeatedly give you their money until maybe they no longer have the need for what your company offer or what you offer as a digital sales person. So this book is very important for you if you want to succeed as a digital marketer or running an online business or getting clients online for your own business, no matter what that business is. Number 5, which is the craziest, is Sell Like Crazy. Sell Like Crazy is a book launched from deep experience on every single thing you will encounter when it comes to selling online, from copywriting, building a landing page, a lead magnet, nurturing your lead, making them pull out their credit card or put hand in their pocket to pay you, and more importantly, how to make them hook to your company, business or products forever. Sell Like Crazy became a bestseller less than 10 minutes after it was launched. So this book is one of the most important books you have to read if you want to become successful online. In fact, you should be a compulsory book for you to read if you want to do anything marketing and selling online and succeed at it. The guy has built millions of dollars worth of business and have managed over $500 million in ad spend. So he knows virtually any single thing that you can think of as a beginner, intermediate, or you are just in the middle somewhere when it comes to selling online or digital marketing. So you should read that book as a matter of urgency and importance. And finally, the number 6 book is Building Story Brand. Building a story brand, just like most of the book we have looked at already, is a bestseller when it comes to telling story with your brand. How do you get people to hook to your business or company messaging? You tell them stories. You tell them story that will hook them to your message or copy. So building an online brand, which is part of your work as a digital seller or online seller, is to tell catching stories, catching brand story, personal stories, and story around your product or experiences that will make your potential client hooked to you forever. So Building a Story Brand is one of the books to read if you want to succeed as a digital marketer or running an online business. So those are the 6 books you need to read if you want to become a badass digital marketer or run a successful online business. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not, and of course give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you have read any of this book, how and what you think about it. Let me know, and of course let's keep the conversation going. If you think someone will need this as a matter of importance, share this video with them and let them get started or advancing with their digital marketing skill or online selling skills and activities.